Hey, I'm Norman John from simworld.org, and today I received the new Nokia 6210 Navigator, which was launched in Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress. And on the front of the box we can see the picture of the 6210 Navigator. Then we have the included licenses for the map for Germany, Austria and Switzerland. Once again, Nokia 6210 Navigator. On the back we have a picture of the red version and some specs in 7 different languages. Now let's open it. First of all, we have here the 6210 Navigator. It's a slider. Feels good in your hand, and the slider works pretty fine. Here we have the 3.2 megapixel camera with autofocus and the LED flash. In the front we have the 2.4 inch display, keys, and here we have the navigation key, and here the numeric keypad. Then we have here the BL5F battery with 950 mAh. Then we can find here a stereo headset for the 2.5mm audio jack, which sits on the top. Then of course a CD or even DVD. A manual, the charger, and last but not least the micro USB cable. Inside we can also find a 1 GB micro SD card, which is protected by this thing here, just like the micro USB port. Yes, that was the unboxing of the new Nokia 6210 Navigator. Stay tuned for more pictures, reviews and thoughts. So bye.